Adrenaline pumping for those on the road as a blue convertible flashes by LAPD in hot pursuit. But for those watching chopper live streams from above,
he's gonna squeeze right by there.
It was a wild joyride that got more LA by the second. First, the top comes down, then random donuts across several lanes.
And these guys are just taunting officers.
They crash near the Hollywood Hills, then start showboating down the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
That guy literally running out of the way.
And of all the vehicles out on the highway, a TMZ bus driver tries to box the suspects in.
Look at them, they are getting involved.
But they slide by, losing a tire near USC and finally stopping in South LA to a crowd of people.
These guys high-fiving each other.
Handshakes, hugs, then some lounging on their Mustang.
Shake out hand, young man.
This picture of them waiting for LAPD to take them to jail now going viral. While it looked like many in the crowd were thinking, first, let me take a selfie.
This is probably one of the wackiest.
Oh shit, dude. What the fuck, dude? Oh shit, it's smoking. Holy shit. Oh shit, dude.
Oh, they're Bugatti. Oh, they don't come.
Oh! Whoa. I say,
Oh my god.
Good.
Oh shit.
What a dick. Oh! Fuck! Oh!
almost hit me. I swear to God. Oh my.
Отечественный автомобиль «Шестерка» в результате ДТП получила значительные повреждения. Но куда обиднее, водителю дорогого вишневого «Феррари» мужчина не смог справиться с эмоциями и выскочил из машины, чтобы разобраться с лихачом на автовазе. Чем закончился конфликт, осталось...
Tim, God damn it! God damn it!
Oita! Yeah! Oh shit.
Przecież... Drzwi wyrywa z korzeniami. Och kurwa, pierdzielony.
Oh shit! Here, sir, careful. Sir, careful.
Holy crap.
Sir,
Holy
careful.
crap.
Careful, sir. Oh, sir, hold on.
Holy crap.